Al's off the naughty stepping into scoring goals.
Yeah, no, first obviously got the red card against them as well, so it was good to get the goal.
Was it in all the way?
But I don't really remember too much of it. I just heard the crowd shoot, so I just had a dig, and luckily it went in.
You don't like being out, do you?
Second?
You don't like being out?
Nah, it's been frustrating. It's been a long 4 games because we had no midweek game, so it's been frustrating watching. I just want to try and help the boys and stuff like that. So glad to be back.
You see the lads recovering, getting better.
Yeah.
Does it just frustrate you?
Yeah, no. You just want to be in there with them, especially with the youngsters now playing. They're all good on the ball and playing. I thought today, first half, played some decent stuff, and they was at the heart of it. So no, it's good to be back in there. You
got young lads like Callum Starr's coming through, who's playing a lot of people off the park. What's going through your mind?
I'm happy. It's a joy to watch him. To be fair, for the fans, it must be worth paying the money to watch him. Because even when I'm watching him, he's top draw player. To be fair,
is it exactly the same on the training ground?
Yeah. He's calm. He's calm on the ball, just laid back, and now hopefully he can keep getting his games in and then just keep improving.
What's next then? Scunthorpe Saturday. Is it just a case of progressing, keep going, looking for that win?
Yeah, that's the thing. Now the performances have improved massively. Boys looking more confident now. It's just about getting that win now. That's it. 3 points. That's all that matters.
What's the atmosphere been like around the squad recently? 19 games without a win. It's like nearly half a season, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been frustrating. It's been really frustrating. But we're all sticking together now. Quite a few of the injured players are coming back to fitness now. Zelly, a few of the others. So no, it's good.